So good day, sir. This is the proposed structured cabling floor plan for the administration building. So this design provides reliable wired and wireless network connectivity with strategically placing data nodes in offices that requires network access and positioning wireless access points to provide adequate Wi-Fi coverage through the building. So the network is centralized through a main switch, making it easier to manage, maintain, and expand in future. So we have 22 data nodes and 9 access points and 1 switch. So let's move now to our program reports. Since we have a total of 1,325.95 meters UTP Cat 6, and this floor plan basis summarize all the materials and labor required for the project. So the estimated material cost is 324,339, while the labor cost is 32,660. So after adding the task contingency, 12% task, so that cost 42,839.88. So the total project cost amounts to 399,838.88 pesos, which is still within the allocated budget of 400,000. So for the next floor plan basis, so the proposed design was based on the actual layout of the administration building. So I considered the function of each office, the expect number of users, and building the dimensions to determine the placement of network devices and estimates cable lengths. So this ensured an efficient layout while minimizing unnecessary cable runs and allowing room for future expansions. So as for the work schedule, this outlines the implementation process, beginning with site preparation and material procurement, followed by the installation of conduits, cables, and network equipment. The project concludes with the testing, inspection, documentation, and turnover to ensure that the network is fully operational before the deployment. So for the project summary, this is the project summary. We have the wireless access point data nodes, the total UTB meters, Cat 6, the total material cost, labor cost, and then the total project cost. So as you can see here, the total material cost and then the labor cost without the task. Tax is 334,339 and 32,660, which totals is 356,999. So for planning note, the uploaded port map, it identifies data nodes from data node 1 to data node 22. And it specifies total UTP cable length of 1,325 meters, 0.95 meters. So the program works and materials estimate are based on the stated total cable length, with quantities rounded up to accommodate installation requirements in standard 305-meter Cat6 cable boxes. So 22 data nodes and 9 wireless access points, switch, punch panel, UPS, Cat6 cabling, and installation sting. So that's all for my presentation. I hope that I made it clear, and thank you for listening.